Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and for today I am going to answer your questions about marketing, Instagram and all of that stuff. So let's get started. So today's question is, hey Urvee, I don't know how to get ideas for creating new content every single day. Basically you want to know about how to create new pieces of content every single day without feeling that it is repetitive. So for me, I have two pages. Basically I have a fashion page, trash and lifestyle beauty page, and then there's a marketing page where I talk about marketing, Instagram trends, all about digital marketing world. So when it comes to creating content, new content every single day, what I basically do is uh, let's talk in context with my digital marketing page. I have a diary where I basically write down all the things which I want to talk about. For example, if I see a lot of comments on my comments, in my comments, asking me the same thing, I will write it down and then I will make sure to write points of it. For example, people constantly keep on asking me, hey Urvee, is follow unfollow going to work in 2020? I keep seeing these comments. I go ahead and then I write it down into the diary, and then I write down the pointers, and then I make a video on it, or I make a Instagram post on it. So if you go to your explore page, you can literally see what kind of posts are working, what kind of posts aren't working. Like, you will obviously see what kind of posts are working because people are responding to it really well. If you see something, or if you strike an inspiration, just write down the video idea, or like the idea in which you can create it into video or photo format. So for me, whatever comments I get, I write it down. Whatever DMs I get, I also write it down. And also I kind of ask into my WhatsApp group on what do you want to see videos on, or like whatever questions I have, I just screenshot it just like I did, and then I create content like that. Also, if you go ahead on YouTube and search something related to how to grow on Instagram, and you will see that's entire like suggestions coming in front of you in YouTube. So that is also like a great video, like idea on how you can, like video ideas, content ideas, you can make content on. And then the next thing which you can do to create content is basically go to your competitor's account, or basically go to huge accounts who have like a good following, who are posting very consistently. That's the main thing. Go to the account and see what kind of videos they are creating. It will really help you to have like a certain list of ideas in front of you, because they are kind of creating it. Also, it means, and if they are getting views on it, it means that people want to watch it, people are watching it. So you should also create a video similar to that, having, adding your own personal like touch to it. Basically what I'm saying is that you do not have to copy them. If today I create a video on why follow unfollow won't work in 2020, a lot of other creators are creating the same video, but why my video will kind of stand out, not like stand out, will be like a different from them, because first of all, I am creating it, I am saying it, I am adding my own personal touch to it, I am adding my own thoughts and experience on it, rather than just blindly copying their video. So yeah, that's one to keep in mind. Also, the next thing which you can keep in mind while creating content is, let's say if you're a fashion influencer, beauty influencer, Holi is coming next, Women's Day is coming next, there are so many festivals are coming next. I think Easter is also coming next. You can create video ideas, like makeup ideas, outfit ideas, even baking, cooking ideas for it, like Easter snacks, Easter based chocolates, Easter based cake, then Holi, like sweets for Holi, then makeup look inspired by Holi outfit ideas, Women's Day outfit ideas, Women's Day like themed makeup look, something very unique, Women's Day based outfits, makeup, like snacks for Women's Day, something if you want to throw a party to all the amazing women out there. So yeah, definitely something like that. And yeah, keep that in mind, especially when it is time based or time sensitive. You have to really post a little bit pehle, I can say, like a little bit before, and then just keep the time sensitive thing in mind, and then you will be good. So yeah, that's kind of how I create content, basically seeing into my DMs, seeing into my comments, like all of you, all of the questions which you ask me. Then I also see my explore page, see what other creators are creating, take some inspiration from that. Also from my YouTube homepage and YouTube subscription page, you can see that. And then also seeing the time sensitivity, what events are coming up next. Let's say if there is like a game event happening, or there's fashion week happening, which just happened right now, you can create outfit inspired by your fashion week. So yeah, that's that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to ask me questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below or join the WhatsApp group, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.